What is up, guys? Figured I walk you through my bike washing regime. That being said, I don't consider myself as a professional detailer. And before we begin, there might be experts out there who can tell me that the soaps and cloths that I might be using can harm the bike's paint. But then this process has been working for me, and I just figured I say this to get those comments out of the way. So for the most part, I'll be using a power washer, and these are some of the prerequisites. Again, you can use your own products of choice. To begin, I'm giving it a thorough wash, and on a side note, if you're using one of these power washers, try avoiding direct pressure near the instrument console. Here you can see me attach the nozzle containing shampoo. The shampoo that I'm using are the ones I've managed to collect from hotel rooms. You can agitate it a little if you have to. I personally don't do this always in order to avoid swirl marks. Again, the idea here is to have minimal contact with the surfaces in order to avoid scratches from possible contaminants. Spraying polish covering most of the body panels and black trims. This allows the blacks to just pop. You want to make sure to apply minimal pressure and try using a circular motion in order to buff off the panels. Finally, finishing off the wheels with some tire shiner and spraying lube on the chain.